How many commendations should Andrew get for getting A stars? So to work out this, we're going to use the COUNTIF function. We're going to go to Andrew over here, commendations for A+, click in the cell, and then at the top here we're using the COUNTIF function to count up the A stars. So equals count if, check the keyword appears up here. Once we've done this, open brackets, we then want the range and the criteria. The range is from this cell here, the C, all the way across to the I think we're going to include the average grades, the B's over here, so Q3, C3 to Q3. We then want the comma and the criteria. The comma and the criteria we're looking for is the letter A+ in quotation marks. And remember, these are speech marks that you get by pressing Shift and 2. Once done that, we close the brackets, then we press, and there we go. Currently, Andrew has 0 commendations. Never mind, Andrew. Anyway, if I change this score here, just to test my formulas working correctly, so for test 5, I'm temporarily going to change this number. I click on the cell, and I type in an A+. We should see that Andrew now gets 1 commendation. Now press undo by pressing Ctrl Z, and that undoes the changes I just managed to apply, and Andrew's score goes back to a B, so that's correct. I can now replicate this formula, and there we go, we've calculated the commendations for A+'s.